Hi everyone, welcome to Miss Chinese Food. I'm Jack. Today we learn how to make Chinese stir-fried chayote with egg. I think it's a great and sweety chayote recipe. Let's start. Firstly, we should prepare 2 chayotes. When we peel the chayote, we should put it into the water to wash mucus from time to time. It can also help us to clean the uncomfortable feeling from the chayote. Then cut the chayote into 4 pieces. Remove the peel of the chayote. Then cut into small pieces. Then save them for later. Next, we should prepare 2 eggs. Beat the eggs into a bowl. Then stir the egg mixture well until they are frothy. Then save it for later. Now we can start to stir-fry chayote with egg. Firstly, add 1 tablespoon sunflower into the pan. Then use middle fire to heat it. Then pour the egg mixture into the pan. We should use chopstick stir-fry lightly after it forms a blob. Then save them for later. Second, add 1 tablespoon sunflower oil into the pan. Then use a big fire to heat it. Then add chayote into the pan. Stir fry until it changes color. Then half teaspoon salt into the pan. Stir fry them evenly. In order to preserve the sweety taste of the chayote, please don't add too much salt. Then eggs into the pan. Stir fry them evenly. Then we got the delicious Chinese stir-fried chayote. The chayote with egg is very crispy and refreshing. Hope you can try it at home. Okay, that's our Chinese food today. If you like our video, please subscribe or like us. If you have any problems, please leave your comment below. Thanks for watching. See you next Chinese food. Bye.